Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vamangi Goswami. Today I would like to discuss about disaccharides, in which we will study the structure of sucrose, maltose, cellobiose and lactose in detail. Here in part 3 video, we will study structure of cellobiose in detail. This topic comes under Gujarat University syllabus, BSc Chemistry Semester 5, paper number 301, Unit 4A. So let us begin. Now let us start with disaccharide cellobiose. When cellulose is treated with acetic anhydride and sulfuric acid for several days, cellobiose octaacetate is obtained, which on alkaline hydrolysis gives plus cellobiose. In the living system, cellobiose is obtained by enzyme cellulase treatment on cellulose, which is not found in humans but found in the gut of cow. Combustion analysis and molecular weight determination data arrives the molecular formula of cellobiose as C12H22O11. While cellobiose differs from maltose in one respect, it is hydrolyzed by enzyme emulsion and not by the maltase or diastase, giving 2 moles of glucose molecules. So the cellobiose is made up of 2 monosaccharide unit, that is 2 moles of D plus glucose. Thus the cellobiose has beta glucoside linkage present, as the maltose also has glucose plus glucose monosaccharide, but it has alpha glucoside linkages, while in cellobiose has beta glucoside linkages. Now let us see the structure of cellobiose. As we have seen earlier, the cellobiose is formed of 2 glucose units. These 2 glucose units, from which one of the glucose unit, carbon number 1, possess hydroxyl group, and carbon number 4 also possess another hydroxyl group. From that, carbon number 1 and carbon number 4 of this hydroxyl units releases one water molecule and forms glycosidic linkage in between carbon number 1 of first glucose and carbon number 4 of second glucose and forms beta glycosidic linkage. This is the structure of cellobiose, and the nomenclature of cellobiose is beta D glucopyranosyl 1,2,4 linkage beta D glucopyranoside. Now let us see the properties of cellobiose. It is a reducing sugar and can be inferred by its positive reactions with tolerance reagent and Fehling solution. It also gives ozazone by reacting with phenylhydrazine. Cellulose exhibit phenomenon of mutarotation, as free anomeric carbon of reducing end of cellobiose is more favored in beta orientation than in alpha orientation, while cellobiose in alpha form gives specific rotation plus 72 degrees, while beta form of cellobiose gives specific rotation plus 16 degree, while at equilibrium after mutarotation the specific rotation changes to plus 35 degrees. Now let us see the structural determination of cellobiose. Cellobiose, after oxidation in presence of bromine water, it forms cellobionic acid. Here the bond breaks and the open chain structure containing one COOH group is formed, which is known as cellobionic acid. Cellobionic acid, after complete methylation, it forms octamethyl derivative. All the free H plus are replaced by methyl groups, while subsequent or continuous hydrolysis of this octamethyl derivative forms 2 different monomers, that is 2,3,4,6 tetramethyl beta glucose and 2,3,4,6 tetramethyl gluconic acid. So all the above arguments prove that the cellobiose, both the glucose structure have pyranose structure, that is 6-membered ring containing oxygen, and the structure number 1 of glucose, that is carbon number 1 of first glucose, is attached to carbon number 4 of second glucose with the beta linkage. Beta linkage is present in the cellobiose, while alpha linkage is present in maltose.